Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel at Carog765, the place where we bring legendary classic cars back to life through voice, story, and pure appreciation. If you love American vintage cars, rare machines, and powerful automotive history, then you are already at the right place. Before we start today's journey, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and support Carog765, because your one click keeps these beautiful classics alive on YouTube. Today we are talking about a true American icon, a car that represents the peak of 1950s design, power, and ambition. Our star is the 1957 DeSoto Adventurer, a car that was not just transportation, but a statement of style, speed, and luxury. When DeSoto introduced the Adventurer, it was aimed at drivers who wanted something bold, something exclusive, and something that could stand proudly among the most powerful cars of its era. The year 1957 was a golden time for American automobiles. Everything was bigger, brighter, and more daring. Tailfins were reaching the sky, chrome was shining everywhere, and engines were becoming stronger every year. In this competitive environment, DeSoto wanted to prove that it was not behind Chrysler, Cadillac, or Ford. The Adventurer was their answer, a high-performance luxury car that combined muscle with elegance. At first glance, the 1957 DeSoto Adventurer looks like a futuristic dream from the jet age. The front end is wide and confident, featuring quad headlights that were still a fresh and exciting design trend at the time. The grille is bold and full of character, framed with heavy chrome that reflects the optimism of post-war America. This car does not try to be subtle. It proudly announces its presence on the road. The side profile is long, low, and dramatic. The body lines flow smoothly from front to back, guiding your eyes toward the iconic tailfins. These fins are sharp, tall, and beautifully sculpted, giving the Adventurer an aggressive yet elegant stance. In 1957, tailfins were not just decoration, they were a symbol of progress, speed, and space-age inspiration. DeSoto embraced this trend fully, and the Adventurer became one of the most striking cars of its time. The rear design is just as impressive as the front. The taillights are placed high within the fins, creating a unique and instantly recognizable look. Chrome accents continue across the rear, adding balance and shine. Every angle of the 1957 DeSoto Adventurer shows careful attention to design, making it a rolling piece of art. Step inside the cabin, and you are transported into a world of 1950s luxury. The interior of the Adventurer was designed to impress both the driver and passengers. High-quality materials, stylish upholstery, and a wide, comfortable bench seat made long drives enjoyable. The dashboard is beautifully laid out, filled with chrome details and futuristic shapes that reflect the design language of the era. One of the most fascinating features inside is the push-button transmission, a signature Chrysler innovation. Instead of a traditional gear lever, the driver selects gears using buttons on the dashboard. In the 1950s, this felt incredibly modern and advanced, almost like something from a science fiction movie. It added to the unique personality of the Adventurer and made driving it a special experience. The steering wheel is large and elegant, designed for comfort rather than aggressive handling. Behind it, the instrument cluster provides all the necessary information in a clean and stylish way. Everything inside the cabin feels thoughtfully designed, combining luxury with a sense of fun and innovation. But the true heart of the 1957 DeSoto Adventurer lies under the hood. This car was not just about looks, it was built to perform. The Adventurer was powered by a massive 345 cubic inch HEMI V8 engine. This legendary engine produced around 345 horsepower, which was an impressive figure for its time. In fact, the Adventurer was one of the most powerful American cars available in 1957. This HEMI engine gave the Adventurer serious performance. Acceleration was strong, highway cruising was effortless, and the engine sound was deep and commanding. When you pressed the accelerator, you could feel the power immediately. This car was designed for drivers who wanted both luxury and speed, without compromise. The suspension was tuned for a smooth and comfortable ride, making the Adventurer perfect for long American highways. While it was not a sports car in the modern sense, it delivered confident handling for a large luxury vehicle. The ride quality reflected the priorities of the era: comfort, stability, and presence. What truly sets the 1957 DeSoto Adventurer apart is its exclusivity. DeSoto produced the Adventurer in limited numbers, making it a rare and highly collectible car today. Owning an Adventurer was a symbol of status and individuality. It showed that the owner appreciated performance but also valued design and uniqueness. In the competitive market of the 1950s, the Adventurer stood proudly alongside other performance-oriented luxury cars like the Chrysler 300 series. While Chrysler often received more attention, the DeSoto Adventurer quietly built its own legacy as a powerful and stylish alternative. Today, the 1957 DeSoto Adventurer is highly respected among classic car collectors and enthusiasts. Finding a well-preserved or fully restored example is not easy, and when one appears at auctions or car shows, it always attracts attention. Its bold design, powerful engine, and limited production make it a true gem of the classic car world. Restoring a DeSoto Adventurer is a labor of love. Parts can be challenging to find, and the restoration process requires patience and passion. However, the result is always worth it. A restored Adventurer looks absolutely stunning, turning heads wherever it goes and reminding everyone of a time when cars were built with imagination and confidence. The Adventurer also represents an important chapter in DeSoto's history. Sadly, DeSoto as a brand would not survive beyond the early 1960s. However, cars like the 1957 Adventurer ensure that the brand is never forgotten. It stands as a reminder of DeSoto's ambition, creativity, and engineering excellence. Driving a 1957 DeSoto Adventurer today is like traveling back in time. The long hood stretching out in front of you, the sound of the V8 engine, and the feeling of solid American steel create an experience that modern cars simply cannot replicate. It is not just about speed or technology, it is about emotion, character, and connection. At car shows, the Adventurer always draws a crowd. People stop to admire its fins, its chrome, and its powerful stance. Older enthusiasts remember seeing these cars on the road when they were new, while younger generations are fascinated by their bold and fearless design. The Adventurer bridges generations through its timeless appeal. The 1957 DeSoto Adventurer also tells a story about American culture in the 1950s. It reflects a time of economic growth, optimism, and belief in the future. Cars were symbols of freedom and success, and manufacturers were not afraid to experiment with daring designs. The Adventurer captures this spirit perfectly. From its striking exterior to its luxurious interior and powerful engine, everything about the Adventurer feels purposeful. It was designed to impress, to perform, and to stand out. Even today, more than 6 decades later, it continues to command respect and admiration. For collectors, the Adventurer is not just a car, it is an investment and a piece of history. Values have steadily increased over the years, especially for original or correctly restored examples. This shows how much appreciation there is for this remarkable machine. For enthusiasts like us at CarOg 765, the 1957 DeSoto Adventurer is a reminder of why we fell in love with classic cars in the first place. It represents creativity without limits, engineering with passion, and design that dares to be different. As we come to the end of today's story, one thing is clear: the 1957 DeSoto Adventurer is more than just metal, chrome, and horsepower. It is a symbol of an era, a bold statement on wheels, and a true American classic that deserves its place in automotive history. If you enjoyed this deep appreciation of the 1957 DeSoto Adventurer, make sure to like the video, share it with fellow classic car lovers, and most importantly, subscribe to CarOg 765 for more legendary car stories. Your support helps us keep bringing these timeless machines back into the spotlight. Thank you for watching, stay passionate, stay classic, and I'll see you in the next video on CarOg 765.